All set now, ready to race. Race number 8. Final race for tonight, Tuesday. Tomorrow's races start at 6:15 in the evening. Anytime now, race number 8. And the race is on. New chapter from the outside, moving up is Saint-Tropez to grab the lead, followed by a One Blues win in second. New chapter racing third, then comes entry number 3, Discoverific. Friendly Fire racing in fifth, 6 Ara, 7 Majestic Queen, 8 Wilkowski racing in 9th position. Cat May 10 belong to Elgin and Sherman, Lord of the Sun, and Kirikada Milagros is running at the tail of the field, back to the front runner Saint-Tropez by about 3 lengths, followed by One Blues winning second. New chapter racing third by about 5 lengths. Then here comes Majestic Queen, and moving up by the Wilkowski, Aras, Friendly Fire, Discoverific, Elgin and Sherman fourth last, as they swing from this one Saint-Tropez by about 5 lengths, followed by One Blues winning second, and racing on the outside is New Chapter, Majestic Queen, Aras. Last 150 meters more to run. The favorite Saint-Tropez by about 4 lengths, followed now by Majestic Queen, Aras, New Chapter, and nearing the finish line Saint-Tropez, and finally Saint-Tropez. Majestic Queen, Aras, New Chapter, Elgin Sherman, Discoverific, Super 6. Brother Pentapecta.